SAS makes travel easy, and now it has become even easier. With the SAS app, you can book your trip and have all your travel details right at your fingertips. Let's get started. If you're not a Eurobonus member, sign up right here. If you are a Eurobonus member, just tap the blue login bar. Type in your username and password. It's the same you use when you log into your profile on the SAS homepage. Then tap the blue login bar. Now you choose your own SAS app code, 4 digits of your own choice. Then please re-enter your code. Welcome to the first page. You can always return here by tapping My SAS in the lower menu. On the My SAS page, you have a few smart shortcuts to significant travel details, such as boarding pass, Eurobonus points, and see all my bookings. Before you go ahead, we highly recommend you to personalize your settings. It will only take a few minutes, and then you'll be able to make really speedy bookings in the future. Tap the settings icon in the upper right corner. First, check My Details. This info is taken from your Eurobonus profile that you have made on the SAS homepage. Just a reminder, if your company uses credits, please make sure that you have listed your CMP code in your profile on the SAS homepage. This way your company won't miss out on any credits when you book through the app. When you tap on Eurobonus, you will see your Eurobonus card and number. You can also see your current point status and when they expire. Tap My Passengers to set up other travellers than yourself. If you often book trips for your family or colleagues, this is an easy way to always have their info ready when booking in the future. Tap Save Payment Details to add the credit cards you want to use when you book. You can add up to 3 different credit cards and choose one as default if you want to. Please note that for safety reasons, we will not store your CVV code in the app. Instead, you'll be asked to enter this code whenever you book a trip. The currency is already set depending on which country is set in your profile. You can choose between Swedish, Norwegian, or Danish krona or euro. Well, that's it. You're all set and ready to go. You can book a trip in just 3 simple steps. With your settings in place, it takes less than a minute. Tap Booking in the lower menu. First, you choose where you want to fly from. Tap into the search area and type in the city, and maybe choose a preferred airport. If you want to, you can tap the star beside the departure to make it a favourite, and it will become the first choice in future searches. Then you choose your destination in the same way. To decide date and time, you tap When. Here you choose the dates for the out and inbound flights. The first time you tap the calendar, you choose a date for both the out and inbound flights. If you want another date for the inbound flight, you tap again on this date. Tap Done. Then you tap Passengers to set who the booking is for. It could be for yourself, that is your name followed by Me, and any other saved passengers or new ones. Then tap the blue search bar. Now the app communicates with the booking system, and you might have to wait a few seconds. To see the different prices for each flight, you tap on the row to expand it. Choose the fare you want for this particular flight. Then you see all departures for the inbound flight. Choose a departure and a fare for this flight. Now you can see the choices you have made for your trip. Tap on any item to see more information. For example, the terminal and baggage allowance on the outbound flight. Now it's payment time. Tap the blue To Payment bar. In your settings, you should have chosen a default card for payment. Tap Payment if you want to choose another credit card. Here you can see all the price details and also choose if you want to use Eurobonus points as part of payment for the trip. To do that, just adjust the slide to decide the mix between points and money. Tap the box to accept terms and conditions, and then tap the blue Confirm and Pay bar. For security reasons, you'll be asked to type in the app code you used to sign in. Type in your CVV code if your card has one. You will now see your confirmed booking info. In a few minutes, this will also appear on the first page. Just tap My SAS in the lower menu. You will also find it under the headings My Trip and See All My Bookings. From 22 hours before departure, you can check in and choose where you want to sit on board. You will find your trip right on the first page and can choose to check in from there. Under the heading My Trip, you will see which flight is open for check-in. Tap the blue check-in bar. You will now see your flight plan. Tap Select Seat and you will see the available seats on board. The green ones are free to choose from. Tap the seat you want and it will turn blue. When you're ready, tap Done. Tap the box to accept the terms and conditions. Then tap the blue check-in bar. You are now checked in on your flight. Tap the blue boarding pass bar. The app locates your available boarding passes. Tap the name to see them. If you have more than one boarding pass, you just swipe to see them all. Please note the boarding time, and when the gates open, this will also be stated here. The boarding pass is stored in your device and is available even when you are offline. Just go back to the first page where you can see the current status of your trip. And if you for some reason can't find your booking, you can just tap Check-in on the lower menu and then do a search under Find Reservation. When you tap Info in the lower menu, you'll find a lot of useful information. Maybe you'll find an answer you were looking for among the frequently asked questions. Or maybe you'll find inspiration among our new destinations. Tap Contact and your country if you want to talk to our service desk. Here are the phone numbers. Or just get social with us and check out our latest tweets and Facebook posts. Make travel easier and download the SAS app for free today on App Store or Google Play. Welcome on board.